Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this video. This video, week ahead video, is one where we cover the previous week and we look for opportunities for our trade signal community for the week commencing. And the methodology used here is studying market cycles and harmonic patterns, combining to create context of where we are directionally in the market. And hopefully you'll be able to pick up on a few things. If those that are watching and have curious mindset, we have further resources for you to explore. Before doing that, I must just read a customary risk warning that the information contained in this video is information only. These trade signals and information are not to be construed as advice. This is not a regulated activity, and therefore no personal recommendations are being made. Therefore, you have no protection as a retail client. So I hope that's clear, and let's go. So obviously we've had September. September was a good month for us, and we're into October, which has started pretty slowly, to be fair. We only got a trade out last week, GBP CAD, and we're also monitoring very closely USD CAD. We've been very good with those trades over the past few months. Fantastic track record and some really good trades that have run for us. But the first thing for me I just wanted to touch on was the situation with Stellar. Now, Stellar is a huge potential altcoin here. And the story behind it is we're talking about tokenization, which means converting traditional fiat-based assets into blockchain compatible investments, whereby the ledger for the information regarding the holders of these and the trading of these are all going to be done on a blockchain, and Stellar is advocating that, and it's supposed to be a multi-trillion-dollar opportunity. So this is something I'm looking at. Look at this accumulation since it started. It is going to explode higher. I do anticipate big prices. So very exciting to be a Stellar holder. If we have a look at our market cycle, difficult to see here the context of it all, but we're just making structure ultimately. We're making structure. Look, 1, 2, 3 to the high, and we've corrected with what you can call it an ABC. Or you can call this an X, A, B, C, D. Gartley, this is a harmonic pattern, and we've started to move away again. We've got the W, this is the 1 that was here. Now we anticipate the 2 and the 3 and so on and so forth. It's called cycle building. Absolutely love the look of that. Let's start AUD CAD. So AUD CAD is one that has got a lot of information in one place. First of all, we always start here with the market cycle. This W123 to the high and an M123 to the low is in front of your eyes here. W123, M123, same on the way down here, 1, 2, 3. The objective of this game is to identify 1 and 2 and to take 3, really. That's the biggest shortcut I can say. Obviously, at the far hard right edge of the page, you don't know what's coming next, but we do have this harmonic structure. We have an X, A, B, C, D that brought us into a sell-off. And then we extended into the 78.6 and brought us into an A, B, C, D to the low, which also extended. It looked to me like we only had 1, 2, but they must have blended the 2 and the 3 into this big steep sell-off all in one. V bottom, push 1, this is push 2. We've seen the change of structure here, and we're looking for a break of that change, and then we can look for entries, but no trade for me at the minute on that one. AUD-CHF is another tough one. Market cycle, if you have a look at it here, 1, 2, 3 to the high, 1, 2, 1, 2. Is it going to give us a third? We're playing for that third. Difficult setup, difficult pair, no real edge for us looking at those. This is one that we can identify structure in, AUD USD. This is a very strong contender. As you can see the market cycle picture, we are here at the moment on the far hard right of the page. We can see level 1, level 2, and we're anticipating dollar strength. This can also be push 1 of 3, and we're expecting push 2, push 3. We have been short of this previous week, and it's come back to test that. We did get 100 pips. We're anticipating further downside. Has there been any good sequences for us? We've got a week of drop, second week of drop, and we didn't take the third week. So the odds are to make a third week of drop and complete the ABCD cycle in blue. Moving on, Bitcoin, we have to stop off and look at what's going on there. Bitcoin is Bitcoin. It's making great structure. Have a look at this, guys. 1, 2, anticipating the third. The third is playing out as we speak. In terms of a new month, yep, we're switching on. It looked like we had 1, 2, 3 to the high, red day, railway tracks, and then struggling against that. But 1, 2, 3. Whether this evolves into a 1, 2, and 3 to make 3, we don't know yet. Difficult. Euro AUD, we had a go on this one. We got 15, 20 pips up here, back to the high. We've come back down, created an ABCD Gartley type pattern. When we look at the daily, we can see clearly we're in level 2 consolidation, expecting higher prices to complete the ABCD in blue up here. The beautiful has completed the ABCD to the T. So we're expecting the start of level 2 consolidation here. I'm not going to be chasing that. I'm not going to be taking shorts either. I like trades in line, but that will be some CAD strength news behind that move. We'll have to wait and see. Euro NZD is the other one I like to trade. Level 1, level 2. This has started to make its journey. We've made the change. We've made the break. We're waiting for a retest down here. And when that happens, we'll be interested. We did take this long. Notice the 1, 2, 3. Great setup. Euro USD, humming and ahhing about this one as well. Level 1 consolidation. Blue ABCD line completed at 78.6. We can see a 1, a 2, and a 3 to the high. We can see a 1, 2, spike 3. Hugging the 50. Trade should be off the 50. So this is a real hard-fought battleground right now. And it's not really yielding one way or the other. The ABCD completes here. This looks like a bit of a rounding action. Have to wait and see. GBP AUD, just slipping by the wayside, if I'm honest. Not any structure showing up. I personally did think that this one had completed itself here, and we were going to see some lower prices. We can see 1, 2, 3 to the high. GBP CAD's another super contender of ours. As you can see, consolidation 1, consolidation 2, and we're anticipating 3 to complete up here. So we're long that, and you can see it here, 1, 2, and 3. Nice looking setup. GBP USD, again, rounding top, 3 pushes to the high, level 1 consolidation. We're not sure what it wants to do. It's retesting the previous break. Not sure on that. NZD CAD, level 1 lows, expecting higher prices, shoulder, head, shoulder, inverse shoulder, head, shoulder. We are expecting prices to move higher from here. Ripple, trying to base itself. 3 hits to the low, W, push 1. We're looking for push 2 and push 3. Gold, what can you say about gold? It's on absolute steroids at the moment. Straight rise, looking like a third month after an interruption. And now we do have some identifiable structure. 1, 2, is this 3? We will see. Silver's also trading at the previous high. It'd be a fool to trade that higher. You need to wait for a break and a retest. What else have we got left? We touched on Stellar. Dollar basket's big. 1, 2 off a W. It just, is it going to complete the ABCD? Is it? We don't know for sure. But we can see 1, 2, 3 to the low. And then closer up, we are really having a good look at this 1, 2. We've seen a change. We haven't seen the break yet, but we have seen the change. I want to see the break, and then we can talk about it. USD CAD, this is probably the pick of the week for me. Absolute mad quality pattern. So first of all, this is one of the most potentially profitable situations to run. We've got 1, 2, 3 to the low, W, phase 1, push 1, push 2. Once we get above here, it's either a change and a break and entry. But what I can see here is we've got the change and we've got the break, and now it's a case of load up. We'll watch this one carefully. We've now got 1 week, looks like 2 weeks, and we're going to anticipate a third there. US indices, all-time highs, nothing impossible to spot here. The harmonic in red picked it out for us. This looks like level 1, this looks like level 2, and then we're into level 3 for Wall Street. Wall Street's beautiful. Look at that. Level 1, level 2, level 3. That's the M. That's the W. This is the pattern. And there you have it. So, folks, I hope you find that useful and enlightening. If you're interested in further understanding of this methodology, we do have a 30-day free trial. And we do have resources online, YouTube, where you can watch videos on how we come up with this. I'd like to point you in the direction of another site of mine, which is Melon's Trade. If you go there, there's downloadable ebook and a community of Telegram, Signal subscribers that we talk about ideas each day. So if you're interested in any of that, do see the descriptions in the video, and I wish you all the best. Have a good day. Cheers.